the price that it has got? Well, we look for a quirky or a stylish design, we look for a good camera, and we look for a decent battery. Oppo has recently launched a new phone in the market called the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G, and it definitely tries to tick all these boxes. Hello guys, welcome to SmartBricks. This is your host, your friend Abhinav Sehgal, back with another video. Talking about SmartBricks, well, SmartBricks is a platform that basically simplifies technology for everyone. We try to get you the latest updates, the latest news, and the latest trends when it comes to technology. Also guys, we try to give you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets that are out there in the market. So talking about Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G, it definitely comes up with a nice design. It has a good camera and a decent battery. It is directly locking horns with the big phones like OnePlus 9RT and Xiaomi 11T among the few others. Let's just see whether they will be able to compete with these phones. Before we start with the video, you guys need to complete a small little step. You need to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon. So guys, let's start with the video. Alright guys, so we have a device Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G in front of us. आइए चलिए देखते हैं इस बॉक्स के अंदर आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा. Talking about the packaging, well the packaging is quite interesting. इसका एक slide in box है, slide in cover है. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, it's got a slide in cover and ये जो हमारे पास बॉक्स आया है, इसके अंदर जो डिवाइस है वो है Star Trail ब्लू कलर का. Apart from this color, you get Starlight black color. So आइए चलिए देखते हैं इस बॉक्स के अंदर क्या क्या मिलेगा आपको. बॉक्स के ऊपर आपको Oppo का लोगो दिखेगा. आइए चलिए देखते हैं बॉक्स खोल के कि और क्या मिलेगा. बॉक्स खोलते ही आपको दिखेगा एक ब्लैक कलर का बॉक्स एंड इस बॉक्स के अंदर आपको मिलेगा एक ट्रांसपेरेंट केस, यूजर मैनुअल एंड वारंटी कार्ड. जब आप अंदर जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा आपका प्यारा सा डिवाइस रैप्ड इन अ पेपर. डिवाइस के बारे में हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे थोड़ी देर में, बट आइए चलिए देखते हैं कि और आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा. इसके अलावा आपको मिलेगा अडेप्टर एंड यूएसबी चार्जिंग केबल. सो गाइस, आपको बॉक्स में मिलेगी ये सारी चीजें. आइए चलिए बात करते हैं अबाउट द स्पेसिफिकेशंस and pricing of this phone.
Alright guys, so let's talk about the pricing and specifications of Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. Talking about the pricing, well this phone is priced at 39,999. Talking about the specifications, it has a processor of MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max 5G SoC. It comes with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display. The rear camera is of 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Front camera is of 32 megapixel selfie camera IMX709. Battery is of 4500 mAh with 65 watt SuperVOOC TM. Storage comes with a 12GB plus 256GB plus 7GB RAM expansion. Operating system is of ColorOS 12.
Alright guys, so let's talk about the design. Talking of the design, well the year 2022 has been the year of glittery and glossy design and Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G works in exactly the similar fashion. इसका भी जो back side है, it's made up of glittery and glossy matte finish and even though it's made up of the aluminium structure, it's still very light. इसका overall weight है of 180 grams and thickness भी इसकी ज़्यादा नहीं है. Talking about the back, well at the back you've got a rectangular camera hump. इसका जो रेक्टेंगुलर कैमरा हम्प है, इट इज सराउंडेड बाय स्टारलाइट जो कि बेसिकली जल जाती है जब भी आपके पास कोई नोटिफिकेशन आएगा या आप इसे चार्जिंग पे लगाएंगे. सो अगेन इट्स विजुअली वेरी अपीलिंग. ऑल्सो जो इसका बैक पैनल है, इसके कलर्स चेंज होते हैं जब इसके ऊपर सनलाइट पड़ती है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच इज वेरी नाइस. Talking about the key controls, on the right hand side you have the main power key control. On the left hand side you have the volume key buttons. Down south in the middle you have the Type C charging port. Left side पे आपको मिलेगी आपकी SIM card tray and right side पे आपको मिलेंगे आपके speaker grills. Overall, Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G का जो डिजाइन है वो लेटेस्ट iPhone मॉडल से इंस्पायर्ड है, but again it's got a really nice design to it and I'm personally very impressed with the design of this phone. So full marks for the design to this phone.
Let's talk about the performance of Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. The Oppo Reno 7 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max and boots ColorOS 12. The first thing to disappoint me was the bloatware. There were certain pre-installed apps on the phone which are of not much use. However, the best part is these apps can be uninstalled. Also, under the review period, I was not disturbed by any advertisements or unnecessary notifications other than from the apps which were being used by me. Oppo Reno 7 series provides the Omoji feature similar to the Memoji avatars offered by Apple. The Omoji digital avatar of yourself or from one of the pre-existing ones can be personalized to use as a display for the locked screen. And trust me, these look cute. The Reno 7 Pro also supports several interesting features targeting different age groups of users, like Kid Space for kids and Simple Mode for the elderly. The performance of the phone is satisfactory in terms of doing regular activities like watching videos on YouTube, Disney Plus Hotstar, scrolling social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, among others. Even long-hour gaming sessions on the phone offered a decent experience to me. During my usage of the phone, I did not notice any slowdowns or heat up. Coming to the audio quality, it is quite decent and loud. Talking about the battery, well, the phone can survive around 1.5 days on a single charge with its 4500 mAh battery. In terms of my daily usage, which includes playing games, surfing the internet, watching videos or films, attending calls, video calls, using social networking applications, among others, the Reno 7 Pro offered a decent battery backup. While on weekends with continuous usage, the battery survived almost a day on a single charge. Charging is quick as the phone comes with a 65-watt fast charger. Under the review period, the phone took around 30 to 35 minutes to fill its battery from 0 to 100%. Let's talk about the camera of Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. The phone has a triple rear camera with a 50 megapixel main camera, Sony IMX766 sensor along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel macro camera. The camera hump also supports a flashlight and color temperature sensor. The front camera supports a 32 megapixel selfie camera, Sony IMX709 sensor. The images clicked in the daylight with the 50 megapixel lens have great clarity and capture even minute detailings with great dynamic range. The colors look vibrant and most importantly real. That is almost similar to what we see. I did not like the pictures clicked with the wide angle lens though as it left the image quite dull. While talking about the micro lens, it did a great job in capturing the minute details with clarity. I loved the picture quality of the images clicked in the night mode. It was noise free, sharp and the colors looked good too. The front camera also gave decent clicks. However, the automatic beautification filter is on by default and you need to turn it off to avoid beauty effects. Despite Oppo not implementing optical stabilization while recording videos by moving at a fast pace, I was surprised to see the stabilization and clarity provided. Other than these, the phone provides option to click images in extra HD mode, panorama, expert, slow motion, time-lapse, dual view video, among others.
Alright guys, time for an overall verdict of the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. Talking about the camera, well, the camera of this phone is definitely praiseworthy, especially because of the portrait mode and the bokeh flare mode. Talking about the design is also really good and the battery performance is really good. Talking about the Android, well, the other phones in the market have started with Android 12 and this phone is still running on Android 11, which is a bit problematic. Also talking about the refresh rate, well, it has a refresh rate of 90Hz while the other phones in the market have started with 120Hz. So guys, under the category of 40,000, this phone has a lot of competition, especially from Xiaomi 11T and Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So I hope you like this video and this video was definitely useful for all of you. Before we come with the next video, you guys need to complete a small little step. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. And also guys, until the next video, stay happy and stay safe.